Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply sell your BNB on Binance. So guys, in order to do that, you're going to need an account on Binance. And by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, once you're on the Binance mobile app, head over to the wallet section. Once at the wallet section, you're going to be dropped at the overview. And this overview helps us take a look at our crypto and how many assets we hold. So by simply scrolling to your spot or your funding, depending on where your BNB is, simply select the transfer option and transfer your available BNB from your spot wallet to your funding. So simply click on max and click on confirm. By simply doing this, all you need to do now is head over to your funding wallet and select the P2P option. So once you've selected the P2P option, all you need to do now is simply make use of this crypto tab here and select BNB. So once you've selected BNB, select the sell option that comes. So click on sell. And now once you've entered the sell option, simply click on the filter option again and enter an amount you wish to sell your crypto for. And you're selling your crypto in your native fiat currency. So if you're from the UK, you're going to be selling with pounds. If you're from Italy or anywhere in Europe, it's going to be the euro. And then from the United States, the dollar. So simply enter an amount, or you can use the fixed 10x or 5x and simply click on confirm. Once you've done this, simply scroll down and select the sell option. And once you've selected sell, click on all, or you put in an amount of crypto you wish to sell, and then simply clicking on sell with 0 fees. But before you do this, please head over to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, simply click on the payment methods. And once you've selected the payment method, simply click on add a payment method. And you're adding a payment method, or your payment method depends on your region. Okay, and so once you've selected the payment method, simply enter your banking details, and your crypto would then be converted to fiat and deposited in your bank account. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.